Wade from just inside half court. Got it! He did it again!
To 2 Toronto. Pau Gasol all the way to the hole, and Jordan with the foul. Jarrett Jack, he took it away and slows the layup. Well, the hustle of Ron Artest had something to do with it.
Yes, indeed. Distracted him just enough.
Good extra pass. Andrew Bynum with Pau Gasol cleaning him up. Shannon Brown has just checked in along with Jordan Farmar. Blocked away. Brown stays with the play. Kobe. Shot clock at 6. Right by right. Made it look easy.
We get a second look at Kobe with our Carl's Jr. Exmo. Right around right and just lays it up, lays it in. The easiest hoop he'll probably get tonight.
Kobe against Bellinelli. Splits that double with the left hand, heading to the free throw line.
Once you get a person or an offensive guy in a trap, you keep him there. You don't let him waltz through the middle of a double team, and that was just terrible defense there, and Kobe ends up with a possible three-point play.
And on the run out, going to be Turkoglu blowing the reverse. Another break for the Lakers. Fish, good idea. Andrew Bynum.
As we get another look at Derek, the assist, took the good thing he didn't have any hair on his head, because Jack, that ball scraped the top.
Now 6 on the shot clock. Kobe gets there. Now Andrew Bynum. Up against Bosch, following his own. And the rebound. Calderon and Jarrett Jack at that position. Kobe inside easy. On the spin, the lefty blocked away. Andrew Bynum stayed with the play, got help from Pau Gasol. Ron Artest and Gasol. Bynum, take your pick. Andrew Bynum with the dunk.
We get another look at our Carl's Jr. Exmo as Chris Bosch goes up. 2 7-footers there, and Andrew gets a piece of it, and that starts the Lakers the other way.
Let's see. I mean, the inside was available. How about that? Pau Gasol.
Still just about 6 minutes to play here in the third. And the Lakers, who trail by 8, well, they're down by 2.
Now got to make a decision deep into the clock. And Lamar, shot clock down. He's up, and he'll go to the line. Looking for the three-point play.
It's a good thing, too, because the Lakers, pulled it within 2, and then all of a sudden a little bit of a spurt by the Raptors had pushed it back to 6. So this could put it right back to 3 with this free throw by Lamar Odom.
Shannon Brown had it taken away by Jack, and on the loose ball, shot clock consideration. Shannon Brown saw it. He got the rim. What a break. And Jordan Farmar capitalizes. Do you believe that? Shannon Brown over Chris Bosh. And this time, Jack. Pau Gasol again.
Not getting a call. Well, how do you miss?
And then,
how do you miss the guy pulling his shorts? There's 3 officials out there.
And then he goes across his arm. Farmar on the flyby. Extra pass. And Lamar. Look back at the clock. And little jump. Yeah. Baby hook. Once again, the Lakers look for a lead. Lamar tied up, held up, going to the line.
Sets up Amir, and then right to his strong side. And the layup, the foul, 3-point opportunity. Lamar trying to give the Lakers a 2-point advantage.
Kobe up against Bellinelli. And right over Bellinelli. Kobe. Kobe's got Sonny Weems. And a little space. It's all even. Long one for Kobe. Loose pass. Fish pops it ahead. He's got Artest on the turn. And Bargnani on the foul.
Tips that one to himself, and then spots Ron Artest coming down, and Artest gets fouled.
Now Kobe on the attack. Lakers by 4.
Basically throughout, and number 24, well, this is the time of the game he likes the most.
35 seconds left. Turkoglu on the run out. And taken away on a bad pass. Derek Fisher's got the foul. He's got free throws.
He gets past Pau and then passes it right to Derek. Good job by Derek of dropping to the level, but it was almost self-defense to catch this one. He throws it right to him almost.
Give him 2 free throws.
Well, you don't give up 3-pointers like that.
And it's all even.
Like
9.5 seconds left.
Get the ball and go. Wait, make sure you get the last shot.
Kobe. Falling away. Yes! 1.9 to play. He has given the Lakers a 2-point lead. They're out of timeouts, and that'll do it.
Nice job by the 24 guy. That guy that spews nothing but venom. You talk about an absolute killer. Oh, man. He will tear your heart out, and that's just what he did to the Toronto Raptors on this particular shot. Bottom, game, set, match.